This review is of BCD Tofu House Soon Tofu Soup Kit. It is supposedly hot. This has bioengineered ingredients in it. Extra soft tofu is included. It's a fairly large container. Let's see. Nutrition facts are a little bit difficult to show you, but I'm doing what I can. And then the ingredients are over here. I do not know what country this came from because the company that distributed it did not put that information on here that I can see. So I did also use swamp spinach in this, which is like this, and it's called kangkung in Indonesia. It's nice. It's a salty soup, but not too salty. And just like the medium hot one, this is still a mild for me. Although it is hotter than the medium hot one, it's still, for my tongue, a mild. I'll give this a 7. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.